sanding. It's like stained, it's stuck that way. What is that called? Plywood? Oh, my house! Pet, pet. Well done today. Hi guys, welcome to another renovation vlog. So today we are continuing on with our living room. So the last you would have heard is that we got our walls plastered, and Craig at the moment is just filling any cracks or holes or scratches that happened since it's dried. And I am going to be sanding. The door frames and the skirting boards I need to sand, and eventually once it dries, the stuff that he is filling right now will need to be sanded as well. And then once that's done, we can at least put on our first coat of paint and wait to see if there's any imperfections we missed, because the paint will show us that better, right? Right. So,
yeah. Yes, the paint will show up any defects or imperfections that we've missed with our eye. So, I'm just picking up the ones that's easiest to notice.
So, once we're done sanding, we'll put our first coat of paint on, fix up any little things we missed, and then we'll be able to like fully paint everything. Also, something else I have to do is clean the ceiling. As you can see, it's a very dirty ceiling. Our fireplace used to be here. So from the soot and the smoke coming up over the many years, you can see it's just really, really dirty. I bought a mop. We saw this thing online, like an easy way to do it. So I bought this mop on a stick, and I'm going to scrub the ceiling with that to clean it off so that when we paint, it's not sticking to the soot, it's actually gonna be sticking to the actual ceiling. So that's another job for me today. So yeah, I'm excited we're getting started again. And I really hope we can not have too much to fix up after our first coat of paint, but we'll see. Alright guys, so I finished sanding, and while I was doing that, Craig was working on the little cupboard door that we had, and I'll show you to remind you, but in the little corner there was a cupboard there, and the door had, what is that called, plywood?
Just ply.
Some ply.
So the very 70s, that was the thing back in the 70s.
So this is what the door looked like, right? So it was just like this really thin piece that was just on the front of it. But on the other side of the door, it looked like the doors, ooh, I'm sorry, hold on, it's dark. It looked like the doors we bought. So he took that ply off. So he took it off. So this is what the door looked like on the inside. So we thought, well, let's take off that ply so it looks like down the other side. And look it, it actually looks really good. So as you can see, we still need to do some sanding and some filling of some holes and stuff. But now we get to save this old door, and it'll look very similar to what we've got.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
There you go.
But you have to let them up there up way a bit to rag it out and then throw them up way.
Yes.
So if you go and stand beside Craig. Now you have to be able to turn them.
I'll turn them.
Oh, my house! My house! Oh, our car!
Yellow unit shouldn't be in there.
Oh?
Right, I mean you.
Oh, we're going back. And why? Okay. See, today I wore my proper footwear, my wellies. Right, I have to shut the gate.
Okay.
So what was the issue? How come she can't be with the other group? How come she has to be in a different group?
Well, she's hasn't got a calf.
Oh, that's the difference.
She's in calf, right? But she loped the fence and she ran doing this way, and it was easy to just stick around with that coos and calves. Now she's getting back. So the rest are pals.
Hello. Will you let me get close to you? Hi. Pet, pet. Pet, pet. Oh, that was close. It's just so hard. I have this dike in the way. By the way, that's what we call these stone walls, a dike. It's hard to reach them. Here we go. Hi. Hello, beautiful. That is so terrifying. Just watching them charge at you.
It's not stampede though. Here's Molly getting them.
Hello, Molly. Look at little Molly. Hello, Miss Molly. Well done today. Good girl. Right, guys, a little update on the geese. You can see them just behind the branches there. The babies are back in there, and they now have this little house in their pond to keep them safe from the fox that sometimes comes by the farm. So now they have their own little house in the pond to keep safe. Okay guys, so now I'm going to wash my ceilings because I sanded everything, as you saw. Craig showed me this thing online where if you mix some powder detergent with some hot water and you can use like a mop, you can wash like your walls and your stuff in your house. So I thought, I'll try it for my ceiling. So I bought this mop, right? It's like a sponge kind of thing, and it has like a little scrubby area here. So I'm gonna give this a try. Now it says on the paper thing that it can wring itself out. So So I just need to push. 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 Oh. Okay. And I just pull it out. Okay. Well, here we go. So one flaw with this is that, you know, I'm cleaning the ceiling, right? So gravity. And water is trickling down here, and now this is so slippery that I can't do my push-pull thing because it's sliding everywhere. Come on. You see what I mean? Like I'm pulling. But I can't. This is a lot. Because as you can see, or before, it is really yucky.
Even though you scrubbed it with.
I did, and they saw that I scrubbed it. They saw me do it, but
It's a dirty
didn't
old.
seem to make much of a difference. Like I saw as I was scrubbing, you can see it like getting clean, but
It's just
it's
old.
like stained. It's stuck that way. So.
We're stain blocking it, correct?
Yes, we are stain blocking it, so I'm doing the cutting in. And then Craig's gonna follow with the roller because I'm too vertically challenged to do it.
I don't have that problem.
Yeah, like I can't, it does, I mean, if you saw my video of me painting the kitchen ceiling, you'll see it was not good. And Craig had to come back and do it all over again.
I had to do it a second time because, to be fair, it was pretty bad. It was ropey to say the least.
Yeah, wait, ropey. What's that word?
Ropey?
Yeah, what does that mean?
It means mediocre.
Mediocre.
Yeah.
It was ropey. Here's a word for you guys. So
It's not a Scottish word, it's just a British word, very ropey. Like, my driving's very ropey.
I wouldn't say your driving's ropey when you're in a rush and I get a little bit scared. But I'm a good driver.
Yes.
So yes, I'm gonna cut in all around the room and around the light fixture I just did. I'm gonna do the smoke detector thing.
Yeah.
And then Craig's gonna follow through with this. We're gonna let it dry and then we'll come back and see if it needs a second coat, but I think we'll be fine with just the
I think
one.
we'll be fine with the stain blocking, and then we'll come back later this afternoon and emulsion it correctly with the emulsion that.
But as you guys can see, we painted, we did like our...
We didn't paint the walls, we mist coated.
Will you let me finish?
I'm just trying to explain.
We did our first coat of the mist paint, he said, where we see all our mistakes. So...
Not mistakes, you see imperfections,
our
bump.
imperfections. So we did that, and the room is so much brighter, as you can see. Like, it's so much better. But we did have to touch up a few of the walls, so by the time we finish painting, doing 2 coats of the final paint on the ceiling.
I think of 3 coats.
Okay, there's 3 coats of paint on the ceiling. The walls should be ready to go.
Because it's that horrible wood chip paper.
Yeah, it's not great. I mean, the wood chip paper. Do you guys remember the green paper that I had to take off in our little hallway entryway?
I don't remember it, but you do because you took
I
it.
remember it. Well, that's the same wood chip wallpaper that's on the ceiling. Like,
And it's in the utility room. It's everywhere.
it was everywhere, this stuff. So we're not stripping it because, oh my God, I'm not doing that again.
Plus, there'll be hairline cracks everywhere, and I'm not going down that rabbit hole ever
So
again.
we're just painting over it, and it'll be fine. It'll be fine. So we'll catch up with you guys when it's done. So my battery died while I was painting. So it's much later in the day. I have showered, haven't done my hair, but I thought I'd show you the room at its current state. So I have done 2 coats of paint on the walls. The ceiling is completely painted and finished. I need to do 1 more coat on the walls, and then I'll start with the skirting boards and door frames. So this is our ceiling all done. It's looking so nice. And our walls. So like I said, this has 2 coats of paint on it. It still needs, I think, 1 more, and then I'll start with the skirting boards down here and the door frames here. Also, when I do that, I'm thinking I will be painting this cupboard door here that Craig was fixing up like you saw earlier in the video. So hopefully that'll get all painted as well. We'll see. I have to ask him if it's ready. If not, I'll just do the skirting boards and the door frames. So yeah, we've done a lot so far in this room, in this vlog. You've seen a huge transformation from the beginning, and I'm so excited. So after I finish painting, we'll work on the flooring, which is so exciting. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll catch up with you guys next time. I'm thinking my next video might be a standard day in the life kind of video, so you can see what my day is like on a normal weekday while I'm working and renovating this house. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my videos. As always, I appreciate it, and I love you all so much. Please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps out, and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on any of my renovations or just updates with my life. So yes, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.